Run! Run! My dad's coming to ground me.
Classic Caillou.
You are
grounded. Go to your room right now.
Today episode is Classic Caillou revives Dark Chicken / Grounded. This video was inspired by Catboy 2001. Enjoy!
I'm still going to revive Dark Chicken, because he got executed 1 month ago, and I want him to come back.
Yay, I have been revived by you. Thank you so much, Classic Caillou.
You're welcome, Dark Chicken.
You just revived Dark Chicken. How dare you? That's it. I am calling your dad about this. Hello, Boris. You will not believe what your son did. He revived Dark Chicken. Can you ground him for me? Okay? Thank you. Goodbye. What? Classic Caillou revived Dark Chicken? That's it. He is in the super ultra huge mega big trouble in the whole universe. And Dark Chicken, you are grounded for life for being revived by Classic Caillou. You are going to watch the Wiggles, and then take a hot shower when we get home. No, I don't want to watch the Wiggles in a hot shower. I want to play Roblox. Classic Caillou, this is the most worst thing that you have ever done with the cemetery and revive Dark Chicken. That's it. You are grounded until minions and monsters come out. When we get home, you will go upstairs to your room and sleep for 13 days. Let's go home right now. At Dark Chicken's house. Now start watching the Wiggles of full episodes. When it's done, you take a hot shower. If you dare fall asleep at watching the Wiggles, you are grounded forever. No. I want to play Roblox, not this trash. After they watch full episodes. Next up, taking the hot shower. Ouch, 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 ouch. Ouch! 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 The shower is very hot. Ow, woo. That is so funny. A few minutes later. Last punishment, staying in your room. You are grounded for 2 weeks. Wah! At Classic Caillou's house. Now go upstairs to your room right now and sleep until minions and monsters come out. Because you are grounded for 13 days. The end.